This has been one of my most requested eye looks, the Metallic Halo Eye. Let's do it together. I start with a very creamy Kajal eyeliner. This is going to be very easily blended, but you can use any black eyeliner that you already have. Remember, this is a halo eye, so we're only doing the inner corner and the outer corner. Take a flat eyeshadow brush and start to blend out that process. Try to blend up and down instead of into the eye. That way you can have that nice bare center of the eye, and if you feel like it's not bare enough, just take your finger and just blend out. You want to have that nice focal point that's right above your iris. For a great base, I chose a cream eyeshadow, and I'm going to take the same brush that I used to blend out that liner and just pack that right on top of the eyeliner. The hardest part is keeping the center of the eye bare, so just remember the inner corner and the outer corner are the only places you want to apply the shadow right now. Thank you guys so much for watching up to this point, and if you haven't, please go ahead and like and subscribe and leave a comment. If you are using a cream shadow like me, I recommend doing 2 layers just because sometimes the cream shadows aren't as pigmented and you need to layer a bit more. So that's what I did in this process just to make sure it's nice and dark. Now taking a nice fluffy brush, this is kind of one of the only times that I'll be blending anything because I like the stark contrast. But you can just take and pat in that shadow just to make sure that it's not too harsh. Then I'm taking another cream shadow. This one is a lot brighter, and this is the time when we're actually going to apply some eyeshadow right in the center of the eye. So don't go any further on either side just to make sure that this color will pop on the bare skin. Now I recommend going in with a powder shadow because it's really going to lock those colors in place. This is just a Dazzle shadow from MAC, so it is extra pigmented and you can use it wet or dry. So I really love that this color really popped. Taking the blending brush just one more time, you're just going to work in that halo shape, so just a circle around the eye. I decided to layer the center color one more time, this time with something that has a little bit more glitter in it, and I chose not to wear any tight line eyeliner because I wanted my eyes to look really round, but you can be the judge if you want to add liner or not. Highly recommend adding mascara, and that's it. You guys love this look, and I love it too. Please enjoy.